Let's test your English. Look at the photo and answer the question. What is this? It's an apple. Say it with me. Apple. Apple.
What is this? It's a chair. Say it with me. Chair. Chair.
Level 2. What is this?
It's a phone. Say it with me. Phone. Phone. What is this? It's a bag. Say it with me. Bag. Bag.
Level 3. A little harder now. What is this? They are headphones. Say it with me. Headphones. Headphones. What is this? It's a camera. Say it with me. Camera. Camera. Level 4.
What is this? It's a remote control. Say it with me. Remote control. Remote control.
What is this? It's a charger. Say it with me. Charger. Charger.
Level 5. This is hard. What is this? It's a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Screwdriver.
What is this? It's a thermometer. Thermometer. Thermometer.
Great job! How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget, practice speaking every day. See you in the next video.